Girl. Yes. Yes. This is Cat and Morgan. Yes. 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 Alright, I gotta film. Alright? I know, but I gotta film. Go. What's up, guys? Bobby's Backyard Auto Works. Bobby here, working on the 04 Element. Got to change the Vtec oil pressure switch. Went bad, got a code for it, and it bucks really bad. More than likely, it is this because I have no signal. I checked it with the Alltel, no signal, and I saw a lot of videos that the screen for the Vtec down there on the solenoid, there's a screen, metal screen, and a lot of people say it gets clogged. That might be it, but I'm not getting a signal, so I think it's actually a bad switch. So I got the switch, and then I'm gonna clean out the metal screen. I might just go buy a new one tomorrow at Honda. They're pretty cheap, but I just want to clean it out, see how dirty it is. So we're gonna take that out, and then also power steering. I'm gonna change that. I checked down here, so I put a new tensioner, new belt, and I saw a little bit of oil on there, and then I filled up the reservoir to the fill line, and it's down below now. So and then on the back of the power steering, I think it's leaking back there. So faulty power steering. I knew when I bought it because it sounded funny. And then when I went to my buddy's shop, he was like, "Hey, what's wrong with your power steering?" I was like, "Ah, thanks for verifying that." So, and then I got the power steering fluid, Honda. And then the wife bought an 8. Oh, that 8? Oh, that's just the colors. But car interior LED strip. It's pretty cool. It's got 4 strips. You put one under the passenger dash, and then under the driver's, and then you run the back to the probably under the seat or something like that, so you get illumination in the back. So I'm gonna install that, but first let's do the Vtec, because I need Vtec in my life. All right, I'm back. I wasn't gonna film this, me taking out the solenoid, because there's a lot of videos out there like this, like I said, but none of them really had good angles. I'm gonna try, and I think I have the right angle. I'm gonna try to get you guys in there, because a lot of videos, you don't know what you got to do by feel. So with this, watch. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, 1 bolt out. Let's see. Next one is this one. Should come off, and some oil should come out. Now you can take off the heat shield after you take this off. Easier access. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Ta-da! Now the module should slide right out. I can unplug this now. There we go. Man, I hope that's good footage that you can see. Cool. Alright, just took it out. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't look clogged or anything. So like I said, I think it is the switch. So I'm still gonna get a new gasket at Honda tomorrow. So let's change the switch. All right, like I said, I've seen a lot of videos. I think this is original. I don't think it's ever been changed or anything, but like I said, I did a Carfax report and it was always service maintained, and this proves it. A lot of videos I've seen, this has been super clogged. This is not bad for almost 200,000 miles. And I'll put it up to this. Look at that. Yeah, it's not too bad. I've seen worse. So, because this thing, rock hard. Watch. Dang it, my phone. Watch how hard this is. That's hard. Alright, we took out the power steering pump. And yes, look at that. Leaking bad. Alright, as you can see, it's getting dark. So, I'm gonna have to catch you guys in the morning. Alright, this is the next day. Back on the 2004 Element. And I totally forgot I have the stuff for the exhaust at the bottom where it leaks. Sounds like I got a blow-off valve when you step on it. So I got the donut and the two bolts and the 2 springs. So I'm gonna get up under there and probably do that too today. And then here's the new gasket. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna drain the reservoir, and then I think I'm going to blow some air into the line. It should come out to the return. I'm gonna have that dump into a bucket so I can put all new fluid as much as I can so the new pump doesn't get contaminated. So I'm gonna try my best. I'm back. I already put the new gasket on. There's the old one. New O-ring for the switch. New switches in. I'm not gonna film me putting it back in. It's pretty much the same reversal process, and I checked the footage and it's not bad. So I hope you're enjoying this video. So we're almost done. I'm gonna install this, and then like I said, I'm gonna do the power steering, and then go to the exhaust, and then put in the LED lighting inside the vehicle. So I'm gonna install this right now. Now I'm doing the exhaust. I got everything Honda. This is the way it's supposed to be set up. I got new bolts, spring, donut, spring, bolt. They tried with a washer, a broken spring, random bolt. I think this is still good, but like I said, I got a new one. So I'm gonna install this right now. All right, we got everything all buttoned up. Everything's ready up front. So before, when I turned it on, as soon as I started, check engine light would turn on. So I cleared all the codes, everything like that. And it seems to be running pretty good. No check engine light. Lets me rev over 2 grand now. But I still have that stupid noise. And I think I know what it is. I narrowed it down to the alternator. I think the alternator is bad. Or not the alternator is bad, but the bearing. I don't think it's the water pump. I really don't think so. But I do have one of those too. Brand new water pump. So if that ever goes out, I got that already. But yeah, I think the noise is coming from the alternator. And you could feel it too. Really bad in the back of the alternator. Woo! So $100 online, so I'll probably do that next. But the power steering is working beautiful. The new switch working beautiful. And I think down here there's a little bit of an exhaust leak on this weld, or on this weld. This piping is so dumb. I'm gonna redo the whole exhaust in my buddy's shop from here back, or something. I don't know what the heck they were thinking there. But there's no exhaust leak at the connector anymore. Sounds really good driving now, finally. So now, let's go ahead and install this. It's got a little remote, like I said, hooks up to 12 volt. I don't know why they put a cigarette lighter here. I figured they'd put one here, but it's here, so I don't know how I'm gonna route the wires, whatnot. But these have little 3M sticks on the back. I'm gonna put one under here, one under there, and in the back I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might stick them onto here on the bottom kick panel, right down here on this. I might just, yeah, I'm just gonna stick it onto here. All right, cool. All right, in order for this to work, I gotta have this somewhere under here because it needs this little eye for the remote. So I'm gonna probably put this right here, have this stick out a little bit under here, and then the first strip I'm gonna put on here, so it's gonna be there. But to get to the back one, see, this is as long as a wire as I get, and then if I route it, you know, under here, around there, it only comes up to here. So to get it to here, I think I'm gonna have to take out the seats. So I got everything exposed. Now I'm just gonna loosen up the bolts and move the seats over, and then I could probably lift up the plastic, route it through here, and go straight across, and it'll probably give me enough. Hopefully my calculations are right. Okay, in order to take out the seat, this bolt, that bolt, and then 2 bolts up front, you just yank on this, it all comes out, pull it to the side. Also with this, yank it all up, move the seat back, pull it out, and it comes out. Or loosen the bolts, and then obviously I disconnected the battery. I'll even show you. You unplug those two, and then you take those 2 clips off the chair, and the chair comes out. And as you can tell, I have not deep cleaned this car since I bought it. I really don't film none of my personal cars, but lately they've been giving me pretty good views. And I took out the center console. I'm gonna clean that up. But yeah, my personal cars have been giving me more views than other stuff, so hey, might as well go with the flow. As you can see, I did disconnect the battery, so none of the airbag stuff will go off. And it's always advisable to disconnect the battery whenever electrical things you do to the vehicle. Safety first. Now we're gonna take a vacuum to everything. Pretty dirty. Like I said, I haven't cleaned it since I got it. And there we have it, clean. These panels cleaned up. Pretty dang good now. Yeah, I'm liking it. All right, I got all the wires all tucked up behind the glove. It's behind the glove box. And then the power, like I said, the power's right there. It's stupid, but that's what I gotta work with. So then I got the 2 that go to the back, and no matter how I routed it, I couldn't make it to come to the back, all the way back seat. So what I'm gonna do is put one on the front right here, on the console, and then one on the back of the center console, and one on the front of the center console. And then I'll probably get another kit. There's a 12 volt socket in the back, and I'll hook that up back there for other lighting. But for right now, this works cool, and the wife likes it. So, and then there's that one. That one's gonna go right up in there. And then this one, like I said, up in here. I rigged up an old antenna. Actually, this is the Nissan truck antenna. Shoved it through, got it through, pulled it through. So now I just got to finish it up, and tonight I'll show you when it gets dark what it looks like. Can't see too good right now, but yeah, those are all the colors. You can see it when you go down, but when you're setting up, you can't see it. And the little IR remote is right there. And there's one right here. And there's one underneath. And there's one back here. So later tonight, I'll do another video. Alright guys, as you can see, it is dark in the car. Let me turn on the light. So that's what they look like. This is white, just plain white. Illuminates pretty good. It's pretty cool. And then it's got different modes, different colors. Right there, that's blue, green, I think red. Yeah, red, yellow, green, purple. And it's got different fades. Cool feature about it, it's got music modes. See how it's quiet right there? Then when you hear music, but you get the idea. Yeah, with the beat, it goes with it. That's pretty dang cool. Alright, that's going to end another Bobby's Backyard Auto Works on the 2004 Honda Element. So please like, share, subscribe, and hit that little bell down there. And it makes it a little easy right here on the corner to subscribe. So subscribe, and catch you guys later.